Welcome to WB Institution, an online educational app. GATE, Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, a national level entrance exam for ME, MTech, MArch and PhD. This year there is an addition of 2 new subject papers. One is going to be your ES, Environmental Science and Engineering. Next is XH, Humanities and Social Science. The next highlight is going to be in GATE 2021. Totally they'll be having 27 papers. Among that, candidates can apply for 1 or 2 papers. If you're going with 2 papers, the combination subjects will be according to the committee's choice. The next highlight is going to be syllabus of GATE 2021 has been revised. The most important update is the type of questions. There is an improvement, means that they have introduced a multiple select question type in this GATE 2021. This is very important highlight and update of GATE 2021. And final highlight is there is a good news for third years, means that there is an eligibility criteria has been relaxed. Even third years are also capable to apply for GATE 2021. So here we'll see the important dates for the application process and so on. Here comes a very important segment of GATE 2021. IIT Bombay have released the important dates regarding the application process and the examination dates. So the application process starts from 14th of September 2020. Last day to apply is 13th of September 2023. Next, the last date with the fine amount is 7th of October 2020. If you have any changes with your category you have chose, or else with the paper you have selected, or else with the examination city you have chosen, you can update it till November 13th of November 2020. Admit card you can download it from 8th of January 2021. And finally, here comes our examination dates. The dates has been scheduled for 6 days of February 2021. Here comes the dates: 5, 6, 7 of February 2021, 12, 13, 14 of February 2021. So each day they'll be having 2 sessions. Clear? So these are the important dates of your 2021 GATE IIT Bombay. Here comes the next segment, very important regarding your subject and your combination. So in GATE 2021 we'll be having totally 27 papers. Among that, candidates can choose any one paper as a primary paper. When you're going with your secondary paper, that will come in accordance with the primary paper which you have chosen. The combinations are given as per your GATE committee. So here, you're not supposed to choose your secondary paper. You have to take it according to the combination which the GATE committee have given to you. So in this you can see a tablet column with the primary paper and the allowed combination which is given by the GATE committee 2021 IIT Bombay. Guys, this is going to be very important update to you. IIT Bombay have released the updated syllabus. So we have provided the link in our description box. So please go check on that and download the correct syllabus for your proper preparations. So next segment is going to be very important regarding your examination pattern. The mode of examination is computer-based test. And in this total duration is said to be 3 hours. You'll be having the solid 3 hours to write your test. And the sections of your question paper has 2. One is going to be our general aptitude and next is going to be our subject papers which you have chosen it. Fine. So in this, the type of questions, here you have a very interesting highlight, that is already you'll be having in the previous exams, that is before 2020 or previous, you'll be having multiple choice questions and a numerical answer type. Clear? But in this you have got a new include, that is multiple select questions. So in this we'll be having three types: multiple choice questions, multiple select questions, and numerical answer type. So multiple choice question, in the sense you'll be having a question, you'll be having 4 or 5 choices. Among that you have to choose your right one. That is going to be your multiple choice. What exactly this multiple select question means are, see, for a single question you'll be getting answer choices you'll be having. In that choice, not only a single answer, you might have more than 2 or 3 answers would be correct. You have to choose all the 3 answers. This is going to be a very tough part for all the candidates. Without knowing a basic subject knowledge, it is quite tough to crack out. So for example, see, in this question, select the blue colors. So answers, you can see 3 blue colors. You have to choose all the 3 blue colors. If you're choosing only 2 and leaving the other, the answer you have chosen is said to be wrong. So you won't be getting mark. This is going to be a very tough part for GATE 2021. So regarding your negative markings, you'll be having totally 1 or 2 mark allotted for each question. It can be 1 mark and a 2 mark questions. Okay, for first part, that is multiple choice question, you'll be having negative marks. If it is a 1 mark question, you'll be having a negative mark of 1/3, and if it is a 2 mark question, you'll be having a 2/3 mark will be deducted as a negative mark. Whereas if you come for your multiple select questions and for your numerical answer time, there is no negative marks. So this is going to be a very important, this multiple select question, that is a very highlight part in this GATE 2021. So total number of questions in GATE 2021 will be 65 questions will be having. Among that, 10 is from general aptitude and the other 55 is your subject questions. Fine. So here comes the important update regarding your application fee. For general OBC, the application fee is rupees 1,500. For SC/ST, PSW, for transgenders and females, application fee is 750. Addis Ababa, Colombo, Dhaka and Kathmandu exam centers, the application fee is 50 USD. Singapore and Dubai exam centers, the application fee is 100 USD. Hope this video is very useful for people who are really working hard to crack your GATE 2021. For more important updates regarding your GATE 2021, please watch our YouTube channel WB Institution. Thank you for watching.